What's good, YouTube? So today's video, I'll be doing every haircut challenge. Since I just now started my YouTube channel, I've always been following, and back then I used to always, watch his haircut videos. I was really intrigued on how he got down, hella funny. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna do this challenge. So I accept your challenge, Jeezy. Before I even got into cutting hair, I've been cutting hair for about 2.5 years now, maybe going on 3 years. I am an apprentice. I finished my schooling. I'm just waiting for state board. So, God willing, everything works out, pass my board, and I'll officially be licensed. I usually do take about an hour on haircuts, hour and 15 on beard. I'm gonna be in the shop from 9 to like 7 today. I got about 8 haircuts. For those that don't know what the challenge is, it's pretty much you record every haircut that you do in the shop for that day. Show the before, maybe show some clips. I'll be showing some clips of during the cut, and I'll show you the after. I'm gonna show you all the cuts that I'm gonna do for today. We'll see how I do. Hopefully, he reviews it, lets me know what he thinks. Hopefully it's good. Go ahead and I saw someone put their schedule up. I thought that was pretty smart. So I'm gonna put my schedule up just so you guys can see it. And we'll see how every haircut challenge goes, all right? Stay tuned.
777.
First one's at 9 a.m., which it's 9 a.m. right now, so we'll be getting into it soon, all right? Man, where's this guy at? 9:05. He's not here in the next 5-10 minutes. Great way to start off the every haircut challenge. So first haircut was a cancellation. On to the next one, all right? Say hi. All right, YouTube, those were the cuts. Hope you guys enjoyed it. It was a random Thursday. You know, I just decided to record, do the every haircut challenge. You saw it, you know, first haircut was a cancellation. You know, it happens. Couple, you know, basic haircuts, you know, 2 on the sides with light taper, you know, a kid's cut, some high tapers, some low fades, things like that, beard work. So, you know, those are my cuts for the day. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Please go ahead and like, subscribe, and share the video. Let me know what you guys liked, you know, let me know which haircut was your favorite, which one I could have worked on more. Also, 360 Jeezy, if you do watch this and you do review this, I appreciate you and I'm thankful for you. I've been watching your videos, like I said, forever, before I was even a barber. So to be now making content and then you possibly reviewing it and giving me feedback from you that I've always looked up to and learned from, means a lot to me. So I'm super thankful for that. Keep doing what you're doing, because, you know, you inspired me to keep, you know, continuing learning my barber career. So hopefully I could do the same and inspire others to do the same for them. Truly appreciate you. Thank you, everyone. Go ahead and subscribe. Let's grow the channel. I've got a lot more content coming. Just the beginning. Started my channel about a month ago. So let's keep grinding, and I'll see you guys on the next one, all right? Have a good one.